Hello, welcome to the hydraulics class. Today we'll see the centrifugal pump. Pumps are used to increase the energy level of water by virtue of which it can be raised to a higher level. Reciprocating pumps are the positive displacement pump. Initially, a small quantity of liquid is taken into chamber and is physically displaced and forced out with pressure by a moving mechanical element. The use of reciprocating pump is being limited these days and being replaced by centrifugal pump. Centrifugal pump for industrial purposes they have become a absolute due to their high initial and maintenance cost as compared to the centrifugal pump. Small hand operated pumps are still in use that includes the well pumps. These are also useful where the high heads are required with a small discharge as oil drilling operations. Main component of the Main components of the reciprocating pump. A reciprocating pump consists of a plunger or a piston that moves forward and backward inside a cylinder with the help of connecting rod and crank. The crank is rotated by an external source of power and the cylinder is connected to the pump sump by a suction pipe and to the delivery tank by delivery pipe. At the cylinder ends of these pipes, non-return valves are provided. Non-return valve allows the liquid to pass in only one direction. Those suction valves, liquid can only be admitted into the cylinder and through the delivery valve. Liquid can only be discharged into the delivery pipe. Here the main components: delivery pipe, delivery valve, piston, cylinder, connecting rod, crank and suction pipe that is. So working of centrifugal pump that is. When the piston moves from the left to the right, a suction pressure is produced in the cylinder. If the pump is started for the first time after a long period, air from the suction pipe is sucked during the suction stroke, and while the delivery valve is closed, liquid rises into the suction pipe by a small height due to the atmospheric pressure on the sump liquid. During the delivery stroke, the air in the cylinder is pushed out into the delivery pipe by the thrust of the piston, and while the suction valve is closed, and when all the air from the suction pipe has been exhausted, the liquid from the sump is able to rise and enter the cylinder. The working of reciprocating pump. During the delivery stroke, it is displaced into the delivery pipe and thus the liquid is delivered into the delivery tank intermittently during the delivery stroke only. Then classification of the reciprocating pumps. Following are the main types of reciprocating pump according to the use of the piston. Slide that is single acting reciprocating pump. If there is only one suction and a delivery pipe and the liquid is filled only in one side of the piston, it is called as a single acting reciprocating pump. Then double acting reciprocating pump. A double acting reciprocating pump has two suction and two delivery pipes. Two suction and two delivery pipes. The liquid is receiving on both sides of the piston in the cylinder and is delivered into the delivery pipe that is. So this is a classification of reciprocating pump. This is a double acting reciprocating pump that is. You can have the two suction pipes and two delivery pipes. A classification of the pumps according to the number of cylinders. Reciprocating pumps having more than one cylinder or multi-cylinder reciprocating pumps. Single acting reciprocating pumps. Single acting reciprocating either single or double acting. Then double cylinder pump has the through pumps. The double cylinders are two through pump consist of the two cylinders connected to the same shaft. Then according to the number of cylinders, that is a triple cylinder pumps, three triple cylinder pumps are three through pump has three cylinders and the crank of which are set at an 120 degree to one another, and each cylinder is provided with its with its suction pipe with its suction pipe, delivery pipe, and piston. There can be four cylinders and five cylinder pumps also, the crank of which are arranged accordingly.